Meet John, businessman, very successful. Knows a great product when he sees one. With traffic buzzing like never before, John understands safeguarding your vehicle is paramount. Hey John, thought about getting a Kenwood dash cam? Let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Capture every detail with 30 FPS recording, 4K resolution, a huge f1.8 aperture for great footage even in low light, and a super wide 136-degree viewing angle. And let's talk convenience. This neat and compact little device fits discreetly on your windscreen. Plus, its smart Bluetooth makes Wi-Fi pairing smoother than John's Excel spreadsheets. Throw in the optional hardwire kit for smart parking mode, and your ride's safely monitored at all times. And for that extra peace of mind, add the rear view dash cam for front and back coverage. With GPS tracking, it gives you the right location, date and time of any incident. And now with the new app, you can download all the footage directly to your phone. With all these top-notch features, John, maybe you can finally loosen your grip. Kenwood, love your journey.